Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of garden hose nozzles and exploring what makes the FANHAO upgrade garden hose nozzle sprayers stand out from the rest. If you're in the market for the best garden hose pressure nozzle, you've come to the right place. Let's talk about durability. This nozzle isn't your average plastic one. It's made from high-grade zinc alloy and solid brass, making it extra heavy-duty and built to last. Say goodbye to leaks, rust, corrosion, and wear. This nozzle is designed to withstand the test of time. But what about versatility? The FANHAO nozzle boasts 4 different spraying modes, catering to every watering need you might have. Whether you're watering delicate plants, blasting away dirt from your car, or giving your patio a good rinse, this nozzle has you covered. And let's not forget about ease of use. With its ergonomic design and front trigger, using this nozzle is a breeze. Plus, the labor-saving lock bar at the bottom of the handle means you can water your garden without constantly squeezing the trigger. Talk about convenience. And here's the best part. This nozzle fits all standard garden hoses without the need for adapters. Simply attach it to your hose, and you're good to go. No more struggling with mismatched fittings or leaky connections. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it come with a guarantee? Absolutely. FANHAO stands behind their product with a 12-month warranty against material and workmanship defects. Plus, their world-class customer service ensures that you're 100% satisfied with your purchase. So there you have it, folks. The FANHAO Upgrade Garden Hose Nozzle Sprayer is hands down the best garden hose pressure nozzle on the market. With its durability, versatility, ease of use, and satisfaction guarantee, it's a no-brainer for any gardening enthusiast. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product critiques.